Hello everyone, as you can see we have an older Google Home in front of us, and if you're like me, you're kind of like, alright, let's go ahead and breathe some new life into this, and to do that what I'm going to do is use a skin from MightySkins. I've done a few videos in the past on these guys, the MightySkins products. I've done stuff on VR gear as well as drones and stuff like that. I even use them at work for laptop skins as well, so which is primarily what most people know MightySkins for. So what we're going to do is turn this little guy into a droid. Part of me wishes that I had charcoal bottom instead of the orangish color, but anyways, we're going to breathe some new light into this, and what we're going to do is leave a link to this or at least some other MightySkins products on Amazon, so if you are interested in doing the same or similar things for your products, go ahead and take a closer look at that. So what we're going to do though is go ahead and apply this skin to here, and we'll talk about, you can see the entire process. I don't plan on stopping any of the filming anywhere through it, so we'll go ahead and breathe some new life into this together, and we'll be right back. All right, so easiest thing to do is to put on the top. So let's go ahead and take the top piece off. Some things to note though, hopefully you can kind of see, there are some little inlets there for the tops, and so we're just going to go ahead and make sure to take that out. We want to do that before we try to put that on because it's going to be a pain otherwise. And if you have any questions while I'm going through this, make sure to ask down below. I try to do my best to answer questions that I receive as quickly as possible, but you know, life sometimes does get in the way, but I'll do my best. Try going through the top this time. That's definitely the way to go. All right, so going through the top from now on with any of those cutouts. Take that off. I want to make sure we line those up. Line it up. Hopefully you guys can see that. Sometimes it's a little hard to do this with the camera there. That's pretty close. Just kind of treat it like a protector for your phone or whatnot. This looks like it's a little off. It's just a little tilted, but you're not really going to see that so much, so I'm not that worried about it. And then we've got this piece, and what's going to be important is we line it up on there, and it comes around and then comes back to there. So let's do this now. Doesn't look like we have any air holes or anything like that. It's just that microphone, which is that cutout right there as well. So let's go ahead and take this off, and we'll go through this. Looks like I may have, there we go, got that off. So I've got mixed results as far as leaving it on or taking it off the back of that. Take that off there. That's coming together pretty well. Just want to make sure we get those air bubbles. Not exactly perfect, but the back is going to be pretty far behind. Like, this is basically what you're going to see, so happy with that. All right. That'll look pretty cool in the office. Like I said, this is basically what you're going to see. You're not going to see the back, which I did mess up just a tad there. Looks like it's not quite big enough to go all the way around. I would have liked just a little bit more room. Maybe I should have pulled it tighter. But I think if I pulled it tighter, it would have been some problems. But that's it. If you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, home automation. As you can see, we've got a Google Home here. But we also do other things as well, like gaming and electronics and that sort of thing as well. So if any of that interests you as well, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.